Any Sony boys here? It was 2000 when Sony released this CMD-Z5. For $400 you got almost nothing in terms of features. No camera, no Bluetooth, monochrome display, monophonic ringtones, but this phone was not about features, it was about style. Look at this very compact, very lightweight, only 89 grams phone that has folding flip that open us pretty big screen and patented Sony jog dial wheel, which could be pressed, scrolled up and down, and deflected left and right. This is Sony CMD-Z5, the true Sony style of 2000s.